My name is Noah Huber, and I'm from Clark, South Dakota, and I graduated from South Dakota State University in 2021. I graduated with a bachelor's in public relations and communication studies. I would say some skills that really stood out to me from the classes that I took within Kojo would definitely have to be a lot of the communication courses. Right now, in my sales role as a sports sales manager, it's very important that I'm always communicating with my clients, communicating to my partners, communicating to my boss, employees, everyone. So I just think like looking at all the classes I took, with whether if it was speech 101, small group communication, interpersonal communication, a lot of those PR courses as well, everything is all centered around communication. Communication is a big aspect of my career. I have to communicate to my clients all the time. So learning and growing with all the classes I took in communication with my PR and comm degree, I really think that's probably the biggest skill and from what I learned. The faculty were probably like the most kind-hearted and caring individuals, I would say, throughout the entire university. They cared more not just about like my academics, but more how I am as a person and what I was doing outside of Kojo. They were very involved with me. They knew I was in athletics with the track and field, and I was very busy in the spring. So they were very accommodating and always were interested how I was doing, and that kind of makes me feel like important. But just knowing that the faculty, like all of them I remember Marina, Jim Helland, Rocky, was Roxanne, but all those individuals and all the faculty in Kojo, like it just made me feel like it was like a safe space that I could be who I am, and they would always appreciate and always want to get to know me outside of the classroom, essentially. And that's what I thought was very important. And you really don't get that in a lot of universities. So I just think that's something that I'm probably going to remember for the rest of my life.